Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Yadira. Today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing of something that is super pretty. I think that this is possibly the prettiest item that I would maybe ever get from Louis Vuitton. If you're new, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Now let's get into what's inside of this bag. So here's the box, and then I have other things in here. I have the receipt, and then she gave me a card. So I guess I can look at the card first. She did hot stamp on here. So okay, let's check this out. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a super cute heart balloon with polka dots and Vivian. This is a part of Yayoi Kusama collection, and I guess they had extra cards. So she gave me one wishing me happy Valentine's Day. So that's beautiful. Thank you. It's a super cute card. It's like a thick cardboard style, so I might frame it. And then, like I said, the receipt. All right, so this is the box, and this is just like an empty card, I believe. I haven't written anything in there, and I don't think that she wrote anything in there either. So this is an item that's, I figured out how to do it. That I actually wanted something in this color. I just didn't know exactly which one in particular. I looked at the website and kind of browsed around to see the options that they had, and I thought I had one in mind that I would like. So I had gone into store and I had asked for it. They did have it in stock, but it wasn't too convincing. So then I kept looking at the website and I found this item. So it was actually not available. It was on a notify me status. So I just kind of sent the product code over. As you can see, it does kind of fit the shape of the box. So I do plan on keeping the box for storage. So that is great. And then there's this cute sticker on here. I've never gotten one of those before. But anyways, the item is this beautiful shawl. It is a part of the Starlight collection. It does come in a champagne. I think that's the color. And then it comes in this beautiful pink color. This one has like a metallic pink thread going through, so it does kind of shine. It's not a part of the shine or denim shawls. I'll link the product down below in case you're interested, and I'll put the item code here on the screen. Again, it's not available for purchase online, but you can possibly contact your client advisor to see if they can track one down for you, or even on the other color that's available, because that one is equally pretty. On the opposite end, it's very beautiful too. It is more glittery, and I know it's probably being washed out on camera, but literally it's kind of like a soft pink lilac kind of color. It's not a true pink, it's not a mauve, and it's not a purple. It's very beautiful, and because of the glitter thread, it's a little bit scratchy, not as soft as the other shawls that were in store, and I did kind of sense that as soon as she pulled it out, because I hadn't seen this in person. We ordered it from I guess another location. As soon as like she brought it out and she showed it to me, I did immediately feel the difference between the shawls that I had already gone into the store and seen before I decided to order this one. But this one is so pretty. I cannot tell you how beautiful this looks in person. I'm super happy that I did get this one as opposed to another one, because again, whenever she did bring it out, she was like, well, do you want to go see what we have currently in store? We can probably find one that's in similar color or something else that's much softer. And then we did go out and check, and she had this beautiful shawl in the color craft. I'll put an image of that here just so you kind of have an idea what it is. And it is actually a much darker, it's more like of a brown compared to this. It kind of looks like it would be similar now that you're seeing this in person or through the camera. The colors are much different. The other one's more of a nude, deeper compared to this, and this one's more cool tone compared to that one. This one is seriously so gorgeous, and I feel like I can double it, like either on one side or on the other side, and I really do love that. I actually feel like I just got lipstick on it. But I'm gonna show you what this looks up close, and then let me know your thoughts. this is the shawl, and I did want to mention that the edges are hemmed. I wanted to get a shawl that had this detail because I didn't want to have snags occur, and I feel like with the other ones, even though they're beautiful, I feel like because the threads are loose, you can easily pull at any moment and then create a snag easier than the ones that are hemmed. They do have a variety of scarves that do have the hem edge that I feel are very nice and much softer than this. I do love the way this shines in person. I feel like in camera it's not really doing the color justice, but here's the two different combinations. So this one's a more sleek, less in your face, whereas this is more glittery and shimmery action. So this is the inside and then this is the front. I think this shawl is so beautiful, and honestly I am in love and I want to add another one into my collection. If you do have any shawls by Louis Vuitton and you would like to share which one is your favorite, please let me know what that is down below. I would like to get your opinion on your shawls, and particularly if you have one that does not have a hemmed edge, let me know what that experience is like. And as always, I want to thank you for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.